greetings from the North Pole. Here's Loring actually seating some of the new rings that we just put in the bike after reassembling. Just making sure everything's working okay. Of course, the backstory on this is that the crankshaft broke back in Burlingame, Kansas. Here's what broke there. That whole flange was originally part of the same piece of metal. So we got a whole new crankshaft, fully counterbalanced, high performance crankshaft dropped in that thing. It's all ready to go. Transmission's all good. Nothing was really damaged there. We're fortunate. One of the gears, the timing gears, had a nick in it. Found that, got new ones, and off we go. This is how it looked. Cylinders were in pretty good shape. One of my exhaust tabs had broken off. That's been fixed. And these are the pistons that Loring was so dutifully reseating the rings on earlier. On the left here is an exhaust valve spring after 1,500 miles, and a new one we just put in. Finally, just a couple days later after the snow had melted, Loring decided he's going to take it out for a spin, make sure this thing is really roadworthy. Worked out just fine.